And welcome to the Risk Management, Engagement, and Client Management course. Now, this is a bundled course which is split into two 90-minute sessions, and I just want to take a little bit of your time to tell you a bit about the course. Now, part one focuses on managing your client and team during an engagement. And this is a course that's really intended to help you understand the essential elements of engagement management, including techniques for overseeing staff and case matter workflow, establishing standards for both internal and external communications, as well as some systems for financial oversight. Now, by the end of this session, you should be able to understand the critical elements of staff management, including how to pick the right teams for your client, how to leverage different skill sets and optimize capacities of your different team members where possible, as well as some practical steps on how to build teamwork and delegating duties and improving communication with you and your team members. This session is also going to go over some of the risks and consequences of poor practice management and review the nuts and bolts of supervision, including the duties of principal solicitors and key components of a supervisory management system. Now, part two really focuses on transferring cases, and that looks at handing over and accepting legal matters. And this course is really intended to help you understand the fundamental components of transferring a matter, including the reasons that would necessitate a matter to be transferred either to another firm or to another solicitor, the parties who are typically involved in the transfer, as well as the types of legal issues that you need to consider and plan for when engaging in a transfer, such as duty of confidentiality, conflicts of interest, contractual obligations, as well as the notice that's required to interested parties. This course also introduces the regulatory framework governing transfers, specifically in relation to the rules of professional conduct, and pays particular attention to the principles surrounding retainers and relations with other solicitors. Now, by the end of this session, you should be able to identify the types of files that are owned by clients, as well as the types of files that are owned by your legal practice, and your obligations with respect on how to handle each type during a transfer. You should also be able to articulate some of the essential components of a file transfer system, as well as possess a clear understanding of the process that should be followed when both accepting and handing over a transferred file. I hope to see you all there.